In my last video, how I bulk ferment sourdough in hot weather in less than 2 hours, I shared my sourdough bulk ferment process. And to continue in this video, I'll show you the signs to tell bulk fermentation is ready for the fridge in hot weather. Number 1. Unlike the beginning of the bulk ferment, your dough is no longer flat and dense. The dough sits heavily, slightly fat and rounded, retaining full shape. Number 2. Air pockets, or what I call dough blisters. Those are the visible cues. As the dough ferments and becomes airy, the stretches and folds leave blisters or air pockets on the skin of the dough. To clearly show you the remaining signs, I'll do that while I am shaping the bulk fermented dough. And yes, in this video, I shape after bulk fermentation before going in the fridge. After the last stretches and folds, I rest the dough for another 15 minutes before I start pre-shaping. Pre-shaping is where I cut and measure the bread dough into sizes I want. Then I allow the dough balls to rest before final shaping. Now, where were we? Number 3. Your bulk ferment becomes elastic. This word elastic is the most used in sourdough baking, and to be honest, it took a while for me to get it. So today I'll show rather than just tell. Take this dough for example. It's all messed up from cutting it out, but because my bulk ferment is now elastic and strong, I can easily return it to its original shape with a few stretches and folds. It has become flexible, resilient, and adaptable. That's the power of a strong dough and a good bulk ferment, even with the fact that I'm using all-purpose flour. And following right behind it is number 4. The dough becomes jiggly. Moves, shakes, and wobbles with quick motions. It is soft and bouncy. Now rest before I do my shaping. So I'm getting a very fast proof. My bulk fermentation time is shorter today. So it's all sealed. After shaping and placing in proofing baskets, I leave them on the counter to rest and proof before placing in the fridge. On hot days, I don't do more than 1 hour. This is 5:30 p.m. They've been resting on the counter for a few minutes. It's not up to an hour yet, but because today is really hot, I know that I'll get a fast proofing. So I want to check, and I'm going to cover them with a cling film just to make sure that they don't dry outside. They've been resting for more than 30 minutes. It's time to put this in the fridge to continue fermentation. This is a few minutes after 6 p.m. So let's do this. Good morning. This is 5 a.m. and I'm about to start baking. I still have some dough pastries to make. So yeah, and I have my alarm ringing out there. Let me see what I can start doing and how far I can go. This was the last bread dough I made. This is hot. So, let me just this is the one with the chocolate, walnuts, and raisins. So I'm going to give it a different score. There is no way I was going to end the video without showing you how my baked breads turned out after bulk fermentation yesterday. All the signs I shared is what I have consistently noticed over the years baking sourdough. They say experience is the best teacher. I know I probably didn't mention all, so please share with me the other signs that you tell your bulk ferment is ready that I didn't mention. I hope the video is helpful in your next sourdough baking.